Welcome to Get the Lowdown on Cafe Ordering. I'm your host, and today we're going to break down everything you need to know about navigating a coffee shop like a pro. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just looking for a new spot to grab a bite, this guide will help you order with confidence before you even get to the counter. Okay, first things first. Let's talk about the prep work. This isn't just about what you're going to order. It's about being ready. Know your lingo. Ever heard someone say they want a half calf? Double shot venti, no foam latte? It sounds like a secret code, right? Well, it's not. Here's a quick rundown of some common terms. Espresso, a strong concentrated coffee shot. This is the base for most drinks. Latte, espresso with steamed milk and a thin layer of foam. It's creamy and smooth. Cappuccino, espresso with steamed milk and a thick layer of foam. It's foamier than a latte. Americano, espresso shots with hot water. It's like a strong drip coffee. Macchiato literally means marked or stained. It's espresso with a dollop of milk foam on top. Don't get this confused with a Starbucks caramel macchiato, which is a whole different ballgame. Cold brew, coffee that's been steeped in cold water for a long time. It's smooth, less acidic, and has a different flavor than iced coffee. Check the menu. Most cafes have their menu board in a clear, visible spot. Take a second to look it over before you get in line. This saves you from that awkward moment where you're holding up the line trying to decide between a chai latte and a mocha. Have your payment ready? This is a small thing that makes a big difference. Whether you're using cash, a card, or your phone, have it out and ready to go. It keeps the line moving and the barista happy. At the counter, making your move. You've made it to the front. Now what? Make eye contact and say hello. A simple hi, how are you, goes a long way. Baristas are people too, and a little friendliness makes their day and your interaction smoother. Order clearly and confidently. Start with the size, then the type of coffee, then any customizations. For example, I'll have a small latte, or can I get a large iced Americano? Customize like a pro. This is where you can really make the drink your own. Milk. Most places have different milk options. Regular, oat, almond, soy, just ask. Sweeteners. Do you want sugar, honey? Or a flavored syrup like vanilla or caramel? Say so. Can I get a medium latte with 2 pumps of vanilla? Temperature, hot, iced, or even blended. Shots. Need an extra kick? Can I get a double shot latte? Is a phrase you'll hear a lot. Listen up. Once you've ordered, the barista might ask you a question. Do you want that for here or to go? Or will that be everything for you? Pay attention and give a clear answer. Pay up and tip. A lot of places have a little tip jar. If the service was good, consider leaving a few bucks. It's a nice gesture and shows your appreciation. After you've ordered. So, you've ordered and paid. Now, what do? Find a spot and wait. The barista will call out your name or your order when it's ready. Don't crowd the pickup area. Step to the side so others can order and wait comfortably. Be polite. If the cafe is busy, things might take a minute. Just chill. The person making your drink is working hard to get it right. Check your order before you walk away. Just take a quick peek to make sure it's what you asked for. A simple looks great. Thank you, is all you need to say. If something's wrong, just politely let them know. Hey, I think I asked for oat milk, but this looks like regular. Can you fix it? Most of the time, they'll be happy to fix it for you. Cafe etiquette, the golden rules. Finally, a few quick rules to keep in mind. Don't park yourself for hours. If you're going to use the Wi-Fi and take up a table for a long time, consider buying more than just a single coffee. It's good form. Mind your volume. Cafes are often places where people work or read. Be mindful of how loud you're talking, especially on your phone. Clean up after yourself. Take your empty cup and trash to the designated bin. Leave the table clean for the next person. All right, that's our rundown on how to get the lowdown on cafe ordering. The next time you walk into a coffee shop, you'll be able to order like you've been doing it your whole life. Thanks for tuning in, and happy caffeinating!